We all see the impact of climate change today.
We need to change now.
This year, digital becomes the world's first circular festival.
Everyone knows that this is the only way to go.
In order to achieve this, we introduce new ways to convert all of our waste into valuable resources.
Is it possible to make tea out of peat?
Fully sustainable energy.
An alternative for fossil fuel.
Food can really make the change.
It can be done and we will do it.
My name's Jef, I'm a program manager at SkyNRG and I work on new ways for people to fly more sustainably. We are past the point where we can try stuff. We need to do stuff. That's where Sustainable Aviation Fuel gets in. Basically, it's an alternative for fossil fuel. It's made from sustainable resources that basically recycle the CO2 that was emitted previously. Aviation is treated pretty special compared to other ways of transport. There's a lot of stuff that's not taxed. And those types of things make aviation relatively cheap from an environmental impact point of view. That's strange. It doesn't reflect the true price. I think the digital partnership is one of the most exciting things we're working on because it makes it accessible for the general public.
What we're doing at Digital is that we make our visitors aware of the impact of their travels. We give them better opportunities.
So basically it's a tool for everyone to use. You just fill in all your activities between leaving your house to ending up at the festival. And then it calculates for you what your footprint is and offers you different choices to do something about it, including sustainable aviation fuel, and we take care of the rest.
So I think at Digital we're making a great first step, letting our visitors know the impact of their choices.
In 5 years we'll see that sustainable aviation fuel will be the standard. I would say more and more festivals will follow what Digital is doing. I think there will always be leaders and followers, and festivals like Digital will always be at the forefront.